ACE stands for Architecture, Construction, Engineering. And in the program we focus on trying to expose the kids to as many careers in the construction industry through lab-based, real-life, hands-on experiences. As juniors, they come in and they have like an intro to construction class. They learn like electrical wiring, to framing, to plumbing, tiling, drywall. And we're trying to prepare them for their senior year, which is the Capstone class, where we go outside and we build a house. So the first year seniors will frame the house, get it all weather tight, and then the next year's group will do all the interior exterior finish, as well as frame the garage.
It teaches you a lot of things, teamwork, how to wake up in the morning and go work, you know, it gives you a little bit of a taste of like real life.
We can't do the electrical wiring, we can't do the HVAC and the plumbing, but what we've done in the past is when those subs or subcontractors are coming in, if we have 1 or 2 students that are interested in that area, they can shadow them for those days. Essentially, the job site is our classroom. Kids also get to learn, on a job site, how all the subcontractors need to work together in a sequence and how everything kind of lines up.
You learn how things have to be in code and measurements on where studs and trusses need to be so it lines up for all the other guys to come in and do the plumbing and wiring and sheetrock. Everything has to be like a perfect spec for them so they can do their job right too.
Regardless whether you're going to go into construction after this program or not, you're going to learn life skills that you're going to take with you every day. Being a good employee, showing up on time, putting a full day's work in, taking accountability, learning from your mistakes, learning how to talk to people. Those soft skills are important. Majority of these kids might stay in this community, they might move away, but when they come back, that house will always be there.
In the time, you don't realize what you're doing until you go back. You're like, wow, I actually did that.
Give them back to the neighborhood, they can show their family, their relatives. I helped build that house, you helped build that home for that family. They take a lot of pride in that.
It makes you feel good inside.